how to transfer GoDaddy domain to another GoDaddy account. So as you can see, currently I'm in my GoDaddy account and I'm in my domain section, and here we can see our domain how to 1 minutes 25.shop. And now I want to transfer this domain to this account. To do that, I'm clicking on manage next to the domain I want to transfer. Once you are in domain portfolio settings page, scroll down all the way to the bottom, and under transfer section you will get transfer to another GoDaddy account. So click on it. In this box you have to enter here another GoDaddy account email address and retype the email address here. And now you can add here the GoDaddy account recipient's customer ID, and it's optional. Then do you want to copy the current domain contact to the new account? You can select yes or no and click on send transfer request. And now all you have to need just sign out from this account and sign in to the new account where you want to transfer the domain. Once you logged into your another GoDaddy account, now open your Gmail and as you can see, I received an email from GoDaddy, so I'm going to opening it. To accept the invite, all you have to need just click on activate now. You have to fill up this information form using your valid information and click on continue, and here check this box and click on complete transfer, and that's it. Now clicking on view my domains, and as you can see, I've successfully transferred this domain to another GoDaddy account. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.